Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Apple DeviceCheck for mobile security step by step clearly. To authorize with Apple DeviceCheck for mobile security, start by logging into your Apple developer account. Navigate to the Certificates, Identifiers and Profiles section. Locate and select Identifiers in the left sidebar. Click the plus icon to add a new identifier. Choose App IDs and proceed. Fill in the required details for your app, including the name and bundle ID. Ensure to enable the DeviceCheck service by checking the corresponding box. After completing the form, click Continue, then review your settings, and click Register to create the app ID. Next, head over to the Keys section in the same menu. Click the plus icon to create a new key. Name your key and enable the DeviceCheck service associated with it. Click Continue, then review your settings, and click Register to create the key. Download the key file immediately and store it securely, as you will need it in your backend integration. Now open your Xcode project and ensure your app is linked to the correct app ID. In your app's info.plist, add the required entries for DeviceCheck. Integrate the DeviceCheck APIs by importing the necessary frameworks in your code. Use the appropriate API methods to send and receive tokens from DeviceCheck. Make sure to handle responses correctly to establish the device's validity. Test the implementation thoroughly in various scenarios to ensure functionality. Once validated, deploy your app to production with the DeviceCheck integration. Remember to monitor your app's interactions with DeviceCheck for security updates and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.